just to sort of give an idea, the electricity is coming from east to west. It's coming from the two neighbouring farms here, and we've shown people kinesiology before about the effect of the frequencies and that. And what we have to do is actually protect ourselves from what comes in from the other farms. Now, they've got a history, like where the camera is where it was being done in maize in the past. It's had sprayed annually for California thistles, and it's on a predominant soil fertility net from major fertiliser companies. So what I wanted to show is how much of an effect that can have. So the fence here radiates what's coming this way on the east-west axis, and the Lawrence all the way from Germany is our crash test dummy, and he's gonna, what we've done is we've got scales here, and he's going to show us how much he can lift with under while the fence is not very good. So we're getting up to 7.5 kilos. Okay. To nullify the effect, what I've done is I've wired some soft electric fence wire down through the fence here, and then we get one of our andesite rocks and we wire it in like that, hook it together, twist it, and we bury it in the ground so that we can't knock it out of the way again. Really important. So we'll go back from there and we'll get Lawrence to put the scale on the side of the fence here again, and we'll just see how much he can pull there now. So let's have a go, Lawrence. Oh, we're up 10, nearly, not quite, 10.5 kilograms. So that's about a 40% increase in strength. And if it was a big fish on the end of the line, you'd be pretty happy if it got 30% bigger. As an indicator ourselves, we're just using it how much the microbes in the soil are actually being affected by this EMF. And if you have a look at the pasture species between the two sides and what's going on, we've got red clover, various grasses, plantains, dandelions, and pretty happy cows. And on the other side we have a ryegrass based pasture, which we don't have much of at all at this time of the year. So what happened with us is the rock actually became dislodged because I hadn't wired it on properly, and we actually started to grow brown top and up this part of the farm. And last time the cows were in this part of the farm, they let us know they were really unhappy when we put the rock back, set it in place, rewired it. They went quiet and the pastures came back to health again. Really important. So it's just like in a stereo, electricity comes in, you put it through an amplifier, it amplifies the vibration and you hear the noise. In the situation here, what's coming from through these soils is the memory of those soils. It's held in the silicon portion, it gets onto our side of the fence, the electricity is ramped up, and then we amplify the negative. Now we're not set up for a soluble based fertilizer system like these guys are, which keep putting nutrients on. We're into biology, recycling, utilizing all of our minerals, so we have to have it clean. And when we do, we grow a lot of feed, as you can see right now. So pretty cool. 6th of February, and cows are pretty happy, and so am I.